go by, technically the Terminator's entire skeleton would be destroyed. Yeah. Blue beams of death. Oh, I missed these. Oh, fuck.
Great.
Med.
Here, have a med kit.
Cheers. Just 10? Alright. Okay, okay. The fuck is that?
Drop ships.
Alright, alright.
They'll be coming from the roof. If we want to
Really? I thought they would be coming out of the ground. I did not know that dropships drop things from the air.
Your way.
Yes, please. That'd be nice. So, Mr. Combine, my evil scheme to liberate mankind from your evil folly shall
Don't
become
forget to reload.
full circle. You know, I was starting to like you. You and your ugly hair. Okay, this bit is, well, it's ass.
Take this med kit.
That's it.
Here, patch yourself up.
Okay, okay, next we have to just move, 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 you stupid people. Oh, great, well, brilliant. You know something? Reactivating this thing was actually completely pointless.
This way, gang.
These people are just too stupid. Just too goddamn stupid. I hate the AI. Say what you want about Halo 3, but at least the AI didn't always get in your fucking way. At least you could kill them. Well, you can kill these, but... Not gonna say anything? Fine. We won't help you then.
Hey, it's Freeman. You're not leaving without me.
Oh, now you say something. Fine. Oh, well, we were planning to if you weren't going to say anything, but you know, fine. Alright, let's go. In you go. Okay. Sorry if I'm not saying much. Okay. Here's what we do now. We just go in, blow this thing up. That'll take out all the shields and stuff. You know what I miss? A good Strider battle. Lots and lots of Striders. That's what I miss. I really miss Striders. They are awesome. What is that noise anyway?
Oops.
Okay. Oh. Yep. Okay, now we just... Patience is being tried.
Security, something good in there. Go for it, Doc. I'll wait here till you shut it down. Be careful.
Of course you will. Of course you will. Why shouldn't you wait out here? Oh wait, I'll help.